Alright, welcome to stoichiometry class. So this is another tutorial on how to solve questions on stoichiometry. And it's a reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to form water vapor is represented by this equation. And what volume of oxygen gas is required to react completely with this amount of hydrogen? And it's very simple. So what's the solution to this? Now, you need to write the balanced chemical formula of chemical equation for this reaction. So what do you have? Hydrogen is reacting with oxygen to produce water vapor. So put 2 here, put 2 here. Everything is balanced. Excuse me. Let me clean that. Okay. I'm going, sorry. Okay, very good. So now this is your balanced chemical equation, right? Oxygen is 2, hydrogen is 4, hydrogen is 4, so it's balanced. Now you now see how many mole of hydrogen is reacting. That is 2 mole of hydrogen gas. Again, we determine the mole by checking the coefficient. What is at the back of that molecule, which is 2 over here. React with, what do we have here? That's 1 because it's not written. So react with 1 mole of oxygen to give, what's at the back of H2O? 2. So that is 2 mole of water. Are you with me? 2 mole of water. Now you now check the question. In the question, you were given your given data in centimeter cube, meaning that you have to work with centimeter cube. And who are you working with? They said oxygen and hydrogen. So you are working with this guy and this guy. So you can ignore this guy for now. But let's just work on this guy and this guy. Now, how do you convert 2 moles to cm cube? How do you convert 2 moles to cm cube? It's actually very simple. There's a formula for number of mole that says number of mole equals to volume over molar volume. And molar volume is 22,400 cm cube. So you say 2 moles of hydrogen gas equals to the volume of hydrogen gas over, how you say, to 22.4 dm cube or 22400 cm cube. So let's use 22400 because this is cm cube. So if you cross multiply like that, that will be 44800 equals to V. So we need that the volume of hydrogen that reacted, I said 2 moles of hydrogen, so 2 equals to volume of hydrogen over this. So that means volume of hydrogen is this. So you now write, based on the balanced chemical formula now, 44800 reacted with, what will 1 mole of oxygen give? That will be 1 equals to volume over 22400. So that will give us 22400. 22400. That's for oxygen. So this is stoichiometry. Are you getting me? This is just your analysis based on the balanced chemical formula. You now go back here and check what they give you. They gave you 40 centimeter cube of hydrogen. So you come back here and say, where's hydrogen? This hydrogen. So 40 of hydrogen will produce X. Are you with me? So you now do your cross multiplication. So this guy multiplies this guy multiplies this guy. So that's 44800x equals to 40 times 22400 400. So divide both sides by 44,800. So that means your x will be equal to this year 1, this year 2, 2 year 1, 2 year 2. So your x will be equal to 2. I mean, this is 2 year 1, 2 year 20 rather. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So that would be 20 centimeter cube of oxygen. So don't forget, the first one is this documentary, the second one is the data given. Are you with me? So and then you relate them together by cross multiplication, and we got 20. So let's check our option, and in this case B is correct, and that is very simple. So make sure you subscribe, like, and always come back and check for more videos.